got this at, what was it, 2009 or 10 at an anime convention. And the contents which I made, oh yeah, because it's, I think it's a 80s kit, because the joints don't fit into each other as easily as more traditional, more Gundam kits more these days. And I painted or sprayed the body so it was less of a pale green. Yeah, because that's the type of green it came out as. How do I show putting pieces together? Oh, now I'm throwing things about. That's stuck on there. Haven't made this kit for a while, or haven't put pieces together. So that's leg parts. A up. No, I've done that right. I don't know if it matters with these feet. I think it does actually. No? Yeah, that looks like I've got the right foot. She says as she positions it the wrong way around. Anyway, there's dibs right there, and that's where the other dib needs to go on. So that was that. Now with this other one, which is like that, which I think is in the same era as the first ever Gundam. Amuro. No? Amuro. Anyway, so this is, oh yeah, and you can slightly see those dibs on that, which will show that I need to either use glue or work out something. So I'm using my trainee, other way around, which has instructions there, and then it's that way. Right, that way around. Ooh. And very much likely I need them to get the excess off, but it might not matter as much. Anyway, I think that's what they're wanting me to do. Oh. I should actually get a new kit of this and then try it, see what's the differences. Oh, that one slides in a bit more easily. Oh yeah, and then there's that. Oh. And then the next bit is these bits, so oh yeah. That bit. clicks in place. That's good. Right, then there's these bits. So I'm perhaps needing to put out all the other bits, really. So that's... Oh. Oh dear. That's the front. Maybe it does go like that. Oh well, I just thought maybe just show what it would relatively look like, because I have no clue how to do this. As much likely load of glue and a load of science. But as putting stuff together, that might work a lot better. Because that perhaps keep all of the pieces together. I'll perhaps try and make it in another video. I just wanted to show it and how difficult the 80s kits were compared to the more easier placing of the newer kits now. So I hope you enjoyed it.